How's it going, y'all? My name's Connor Cullen, and today we're going to be talking about asphalt rubber pavement. So a quick outline, we're going to go over the introduction, the purpose and application of asphalt rubber pavement, the equipment that's used for it, the cost of asphalt rubber pavement, the safety that's involved when working with it, the maintenance of asphalt rubber pavement, and how it is used to fix and repair highways and roadways, what it's used for in Texas, in summary. So in this PowerPoint, we're going to discuss asphalt rubber pavement. We're going to go over how it's made, how it's used, how it's transported, and the maintenance it requires, as well as the safety that's involved with working with asphalt rubber pavement. So first off, how it's made. Asphalt rubber pavement starts with automotive tires. Tires are collected and go through a series of machines. The first step is removing the wire that is in the tire. After this is done, the tires are then shredded and ground into small pieces. The next step is freezing the tires to negative 300 degrees. When this is done, the tire chunks become very brittle and easy to smash into smaller pieces. Once these pieces have been broken down, they are then added to a liquid product and added to an asphalt blend. Once this is done, it gets dried and stored for when it's ready to be used. So the purpose and application. The purpose of asphalt rubber pavement is to improve the longevity of roadways. By using asphalt rubber pavement, it holds up to the weather much better than traditional asphalt does. It resists cold weather cracking and fatigue cracking that normally occurs with traditional asphalt. A big bonus that has been observed is this method of paving has removed millions of tires from waste plants and has been a way to recycle used tires. The application of rubber asphalt is identical to traditional asphalt. Rubber asphalt is added to a paver hopper, heated to the ideal temperature, and then dispensed and compacted. So here's some of the equipment that's used in asphalt rubber pavement. First thing they do is they use the paver. The rubber asphalt is loaded to the paver, and the paver heats the rubber asphalt and dispenses it. Once it's been dispensed, sometimes they're going to use a rake to level out the uneven surfaces before the compaction takes place. Next, we use our roller, and the roller is going to compact and flatten out asphalt rubber pavement. And in some applications, a tamper is used to ensure that all the existing pavement surfaces have been compacted after the roller. So the cost of asphalt rubber pavement typically ranges from $6 to $11 per square foot. A rule of thumb is about $1 million per mile of road that is being repaved with asphalt rubber pavement, which sounds very, very expensive, but compared to traditional asphalt, this isn't quite as expensive. So the big safety topics when working with asphalt rubber pavement is avoiding traffic. Asphalt rubber pavement is used on roads, so avoiding traffic is the biggest safety hazard when pouring pavement, because it is imperative that all workers are wearing high-vis clothing as well as having flaggers to direct traffic. The asphalt rubber pavement is also extremely hot, and large machinery is being used when working with it. The fresh hot asphalt can be very dangerous and can cause severe burns or even death. So it is important that workers are aware. There are also very large pieces of equipment that will be used in the process, and most of them do not have the ability to see directly in front of them. So high vis as well as awareness is stressed on the job site. So some of the maintenance that is required for asphalt rubber pavement is quite simple. Because of this, pavement is proven to last 50% longer than traditional pavement. The maintenance is a lot less. The fix for cracks and buckles is to dig out the affected area, refill the rubber asphalt using a torch to heat the rubber and tamp into the new asphalt. So in other states like Arizona and Nevada, they are paving complete highways and roadways with asphalt rubber pavement. In Texas, it is not done as much. Texas does use asphalt rubber pavement, but not as much in other states. In Texas, the tires that would be used for pavement are being used for chip seal and seal coats, and that's normally what you see on the highways when you see long black lines. They'd use asphalt rubber pavement to cover up a crack in the road. And the summary for this is asphalt rubber pavement is an environmental and economical way for us to use the millions of discarded tires that are piling up across the country, as well as making roads that last longer. And these are my reference. Thank you for watching. The questions: what states have implemented asphalt rubber pavement? I mentioned a couple of them. Will it melt to my tires during hot summer heat on those days that we have extremely high heat? Is the rubber asphalt gonna melt, stick to my tires? And is it more prone to accumulate ice during freezing temperatures than traditional pavement?